Yeah, you can see with this donkey had a lot of problems. He's another animal part of the nativity scene. He had a huge crack in his neck. For those who were watching, I did the. Oh, here he is. I finished the cow up. Shaped his horn and his ear as best I could. Finished his legs. So he's done. Except for paint, obviously. This guy had a little bit of work to be done on him. Got him done too. He wasn't too bad. So right now it's all about the donkey here. Like I said, he had a big crack here around his neck, his mouth. Some damage on the base. And he had no ears, so what I did was put some bracing underneath basically his sticks and just put them with that Elmer's glue material around it and just let it set up. So now I just gotta carve it and shape it up a little bit. Here we go. Not too worried about the bottom of the base. Nobody's gonna see that. Around the neck's going to be tricky because he's got a lot of folds here. That's part of his mane. And it'll look a lot different once it's painted. But until then, there'll be areas that look off and some areas because of the grinding, it's actually gonna work into the original material. Much as I'm trying to avoid that. It's gonna be next to impossible. Like that. My main concern was just getting that neck stable so his head didn't come off. Between his head and his head coming off and him not having any ears, he's in pretty rough shape. Trying to keep things a little symmetrical, man. Doesn't look too bad. The paint will help take care of it. The ears are going to be a little trickier. What I want to do is kind of have a flat or a concave area here in the front of the ear, and then the back part a little more rounded, which it already is. So I think just a little bit of shaping with probably an emery board will be fine. At least for the rounded areas. Getting in between his ear here is a little tricky. I don't want to take off too much of the top of his original structure. I find these emery boards that women use to do their nails work out pretty well when it comes to removing certain material. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A little stuck there. It's not a bad thing, though. Like I said, the front of it, I want to be a little more flat. In the back, I want to be a little more rounded. So, I'm going to take the Dremel to it a little more. I have to be careful how deep I go. I don't really want to hit the wood material that's holding it together. Just going a little lightly in the back. What I'm doing is kind of shaping it so it comes to a point like his normal ear would, as much as I can. While still keeping it flat. Yeah, see, you can see I'm starting to hit some of that wood. So it looks like in the front, I'm about as far down as I can go. So I have to shape it with whatever I have left. Here we go. And once it gets painted, it'll look a little different. And you really won't be able to notice that it was recreated, because you could tell the difference already between the side that hasn't been touched yet and the side that I just kind of worked on. So yeah, it's coming along. Get moving. And I can already tell on this side, maybe I want to come up and go to a point over here. Gotta be careful with that mane. Yeah, it's looking a lot better. There we go. Bringing it more to a point. You can see that. So it'll flatten out this front a little. Go down as far as I can, and then the back I'll just round it off over here. I'm going to start flattening out the front part of that ear now. I wanted to bring that in a little more. Gives that ear a little more of a definition. I can't do that on the inside because the tool won't fit in there. So what I'll do is I'll probably get a little file and just get in there. There we go. The rest I'll have to do by hand. Not bad. All right, see you next time.